Hey guys, what's up? And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Maddie and I'm a soon-to-be English teacher in Seoul, South Korea. And I'm currently quarantining for 14 days and I cannot go outside at all. I actually can't step foot out of my apartment door. The only thing I can really do is order food but other than that, you are not allowed to really do anything besides just stay in your apartment. So yeah, the Korean government was kind enough to send me and everyone else who's quarantining a little care package. So I thought it would be interesting for me to show you guys what's inside. I honestly have no idea what's inside. I'm gonna be just as surprised as you guys. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing I see is, I think this is some seaweed. It looks like it's just like individually packaged for just like some snacks, so that's good. I really like seaweed, especially seaweed soup. Definitely make use of that. Then I'm just seeing a lot of ramen. They sent me a mild one, so that's nice because I can't really do spicy so much. Another one of those. Then I have some Spam. Looks like I have 4 cans of those. I've honestly never eaten Spam, but I might try it. It's not really something that's ever appealed to me, but if I get really hungry, I might try it. If not, I'll try to find somewhere that I can like donate this or something. And then I have a lot of rice. And this is cool because this is already cooked rice, so you just kind of pop it in the microwave and it's good to eat. I actually had this on the plane with one of my meals, so this is good rice. And then I have, it's like a hamburger steak. I don't know if I would freeze this or put this in the refrigerator. Forgetting English. Because, I don't know, I feel like when I think of meat, I don't really think of stuff that you just like sit out, but I'll look into it. And then I have some, moon cake. Always good to have some desserts. Can't go wrong with those. Now, got some more ramen. I think it's really cute. It's like a little, like fox raccoon kind of thing going on. But yeah. It looks pretty good. It looks like it's seafood flavor. So definitely try those. I have some tissues, a lot of tissues. And I also got this cereal, which is like cornflakes. That looks pretty good. I like the packaging. And then I have some more like household supplies. This looks like a disinfectant spray, which is definitely useful. Then I have a little hand sanitizer, which is pretty cute. So those were all the items in my box kindly provided by the Korean government. So I know this is definitely helpful to people quarantine. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it interesting. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite item that I got in my quarantine box. And if you guys have tried any of these items, let me know which ones you like, dislike, etc. So yeah, looking forward to hearing from you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.